The crazed tyrant Dr. Robotnik is out to conquer the planet Mobius. All that stands in his way is the fastest freedom fighter who ever lived, Sonic the Hedgehog!
5 grand? What a tightwad! It'll take more zeros to catch these heroes, eh, Tails?
That's right! The first one who captures the sneaky pest can name his own reward! Hooray! I want that hedgehog!
Did someone say hedgehog? Gotta race him!
Get him!
I don't take no bull! Not even from a bull.
Frustrated by the failure of his troops, Robotnik decides to take matters into his own hands. Sonic continues to elude Dr. Robotnik. Meanwhile, the valiant hedgehog travels across Mobius, using his speed and daring to help the inhabitants and mount the resistance against the evil Dr. Robotnik. The heinous villain will go to any length to stop his nemesis.
What a great plan, Dr. Robotnik! Stealing the village's water supply! We need your help, Sonic!
Watch this! But I've got some brains to catch.
I hate that hedgehog.
Keep your crown on, King Leo. Robotnik can't touch my ear-splitting, trailblazing, smoke-spitting, mind-tripping, one-of-a-kind, butt-kicking, warp sonic speed. I'll help you and your gorilla fighter swing into action and...
A perfect site for my new air base!
Oh yeah? Check out my supersonic spin.
Coconut! Get me out of here!
Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog. It's fast and furious. I'm fast and he's furious. Got a juice, bet you can't catch me. At least not until the fall of '93!
Wait for me! I know, don't tell me.
So how about you tell me?
Never cross the street without looking both ways first.
You got it, pal. And that goes for the rest of you out there. I don't want any of my pals ending up as road pizza.